If you're looking to discover the best affiliate marketing traffic sources, you're in the right place. What's going on? My name's Garrett Barry. I've been full-time online with affiliate marketing for the last 5 years. And what I'm going to do inside this video is break down the exact traffic sources you want to consider using if you want to make the most commissions as possible. Now you can see on the screen right here, this was a commission that came in. Okay, this day I made $1,025. So you're going to be learning from someone that's actually getting results in affiliate marketing. Now, here's what you're going to learn. Okay, first off, you're going to learn, no matter what your current situation, how to find the exact best traffic sources for you specifically to make consistent affiliate sales. You're also going to learn and see over the shoulder exact actual traffic sources that has resulted in me making thousands of dollars in commissions online that you can just copy. Okay, so this is going to be like a shortcut for you. And also, I will then reveal towards the end of the video a powerful strategy to scale your traffic once you start getting results to make even more money. And I'm going to even share with you some more bonus tips, so you want to be sure you stick around for this entire video. Now, be sure to stay tuned, and if you want to discover, before I show you that, my #1 affiliate program to promote with these powerful traffic methods to make instant paying commissions on autopilot, be sure to go down to the first link in the description while it's still available. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, the very first thing you want to do is you want to decide on your own specific situation. So, do you have less money right now, but maybe more time? Okay, so maybe you have a lot more free time, but you don't have a lot of extra money. If that's your specific situation, I highly recommend you start to focus more on free marketing. Okay, and I'm going to reveal the exact free marketing sources that I would personally use for traffic in a second. But that's what I would start with. Or are you someone that has more money and less time? You know, maybe you're working a job, maybe 2 jobs, and you're making some good money, but you don't have a lot of time to do, free marketing. Then I would focus more on paid marketing. So you want to kind of decide based on that. Both of them have pros and cons. Free marketing is great because obviously you don't have to spend money to do it, but it takes longer as far as, you need to be posting, you need to be building a following and things like that. Now, if you have more money and less time, again, doing paid marketing is great because it's very quick. You can get results, within a few days. You can actually track it better, but you have to spend money. So again, I would focus on what my situation is and then go with that, okay? They both work incredibly well, but they also have pros and cons. Now, the best traffic source for free marketing, hands down, in my personal opinion, over the last 5 years online, is social media. Now, why is social media the best traffic source for free marketing? There's millions of people, okay, that are on social media. And what do I mean by social media? I mean sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, okay? Sites where people are being social and posting, posts, right? It's also easy and quick to post advertisements, right? It's free. You can just post on Facebook any time of the day, and people are going to see it depending on if you have friends on there. And it's pretty simple to get targeted leads. So using the right strategies, you can actually get the right people to see your posts. Okay, so for example, on Facebook, you can add people from specific Facebook groups that are interested in the topic of the products you're promoting, and a portion are going to add you back as a friend. And then when you make those posts on Facebook, those people are going to see that and potentially want more information, generating you a lead and potentially a sale with affiliate marketing. Now, again, like I said, Facebook is a great place, okay? Now, I have videos on my channel where I go into the different social media sites and cover exactly how to add friends, gain followers, post to generate affiliate commissions. I will probably put a card on the video or include some links below, or you can go to my channel after this and look for, Facebook training, YouTube training, Instagram, things like that, and I break it down. But basically the strategy is, again, on Facebook specifically, you want to be adding friends, okay, that are specifically interested in the products that you're promoting. So if you're promoting a product in the health and fitness niche, then you can go to Facebook groups, look for health and fitness groups, join them, and then start friending members of that group, because you know if they're in a health and fitness group, then chances are they're going to be interested in possibly a health and fitness product. Okay. Now you can also use Twitter. Okay, Twitter is a great place. A lot of people sleep on Twitter, so to speak. A lot of people don't take it serious. I've made, thousands of dollars on Twitter. Again, you want to have a good cover picture, good profile. Okay, in your bio, you can put a little bit about yourself and put an affiliate link here. And then you can actually tweet, okay, different things. Now, I actually have a Twitter training that I did many years ago, but a lot of it is still relevant that you can check out. Again, I may put a card on. You can click and watch that. But basically, you can post on Twitter. You can tweet, your affiliate link, right? Now, you don't want to just post your affiliate link all the time. You want to post value too. You can link to valuable YouTube videos. You can link to blogs. You want people to see you as an authority. Okay, when it comes down to affiliate marketing using social media, people buy from people, okay, not some nameless profile. A lot of people on Facebook, for example, I'll review their profile and, they have a profile picture of a dog or some random flag. And people will not buy from you because they don't know who you are. So you want to be personable. You want to look like you're an authority, okay? If you're promoting a product that's in health and fitness, make sure, you look like you're in decent shape. If you're promoting a make money online product, you can post a picture, on a beach or outside or in a suit, right? Something that makes you look like you're an authority, like you know what you're talking about. And again, to get specific strategies on social media, I would watch my other videos. Again, YouTube, right? A lot of people are afraid to do YouTube videos. They don't want to put their face out there. Now, with YouTube, you don't actually have to show your face. I have some videos as well on how to actually do videos without showing your face. Now, the key there is to do screen capture videos. Okay, so that's where you're showing your screen. Now, I'm actually doing a screen capture now, but I have my face in the bottom corner, but I could easily do this video and not show my face and still promote affiliate products. Okay, so again, you would give some value in the niche. Okay, so for example, this video right here, I taught how to turn an Instagram into a business page. Very, very simple. And this is 4 years ago. I'll just share with you real quick. Okay, I got 84,000 views, and I just put my link here to my website, okay, which led to an affiliate offer. So again, you give some value. Okay, this video is literally only 2 minutes, okay, about 3 minutes long. And I just gave some value. Okay, people wanted to know how to do that. And then I just said, hey, in the video towards the end, I said, hey, if you're interested in, learning my Instagram training, go to this link. And again, that link eventually led them to an affiliate offer, and I made thousands of dollars. Okay, so again, don't be afraid of YouTube. It's a great place. But what I want to share with you is, what is the best social media site? Because you may think of Facebook, you may think of Twitter. Now, the key is really to focus on one main site. Okay, a lot of people, they try to just go gung-ho on every social media site. They get overwhelmed, they get frustrated, and they don't really get anything done. I did that when I first got started. I was on every site. You want to pick just one main one to start with. Okay, start to get leads, start to get followers, start to get traffic, and then spread yourself out. Now, what is the best one, you may be wondering? Really, all of them are good. Okay, they all work. There's people that have made 6 figures or more on every single social media site. What you want to ask yourself is, which social media site do you use the most? Okay, and then start there. So to share with you a very quick story, back many years ago when I was just getting started online, I was trying to do Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and I was following this one person, and they're like, oh, do Facebook, right? Add a lot of people. You want to have conversations daily. You want to be posting things like that, right? Now, this completely went against my personality. I'm pretty introverted. I don't get energy from talking to people, and I just really did not want to do Facebook. But I thought, well, I have to do Facebook. But on the side, I was finding myself watching YouTube videos all the time, podcasts, funny videos, other people teaching on YouTube. So here I was trying to fit a round peg in a square hole for months, trying to do Facebook, but the path of least resistance for me was YouTube. I was always on YouTube. So when I finally had this realization that it doesn't matter which one you choose the one that you're naturally like and on the most, that's when I started getting massive results. And YouTube was really where, I hit my first 6 figures. Okay. So you want to choose which one are you on most. Are you on Facebook all the time? Focus on Facebook training. Are you on Instagram? Do Instagram. Okay. So that's what I highly would recommend when you want to use free traffic. So now for paid advertising, okay, if you have, again, more money, or you just have, you're starting to make some sales, you want to put it into paid advertising. This really depends on your niche and skill set, okay? So now the following are all examples of where you can run paid advertising. You can run paid ads on Google. You can run paid ads on Bing, which is another search engine like Google. This is search traffic, meaning people type in a keyword and your ad appears, and then it can take them to an affiliate offer. YouTube ads, if you've ever watched a YouTube video, maybe this video you're watching now, before it, maybe you saw an ad. Well, someone who owns a business or is an affiliate marketer is running those ads to promote a product. Facebook ads, okay, if you've ever been scrolling on your Facebook feed and you see an ad, you can run Facebook ads. But again, it depends on your niche, okay, whether you're in health and fitness, make money online, and also your skill set, okay? A lot of these take a lot of skills and a lot of time. And again, like I said, it takes a lot of testing, okay, the ones that I've named so far, and a lot of moving pieces to track. And if you're in the make money online niche, many sites won't allow you to run ads unless you're very careful with wording. So again, Facebook ads, it's virtually impossible to do like a make money online type, ad on Facebook, because they have triggers in your ad, and they will actually, sometimes ban your account, okay, shut down your account because you're running things that they deem, not suitable for their platform, okay? I've had many Facebook ad accounts shut down in the past, and a lot of my friends have as well. And again, YouTube ads, you have to either, create a YouTube video, or, figure that out, pay someone to create one for you. So there can be a lot of testing. So if you're just starting off and in the make money online niche specifically, here's a few traffic sources I highly recommend that are very easy, very little moving pieces that you can just get started with, okay? Number one is Udemy.com. Now, Udemy, okay, it's this site right here. Now, Udemy.com is a website where you can find people to purchase a specific type of paid advertisement called solo ads. Okay, now solo ads are types of paid advertising where a person with an email list, okay, a list of email addresses from specific people, you can pay that person to send out an email to all of their email list, linking, okay, so in the email, they can put whatever link you want, okay, so you can promote an affiliate product, a website, whatever you want to promote. Now, they charge you on the amount of clicks. So you pay per click. So if I go to Udemy right here, okay, and there should be a link in the description to actually create an account with Udemy. It's free to sign up. And you can go to find sellers, and they have these criteria, okay? So you can put the most per click that you want to pay. Okay, I have it 95 cents. You can filter by what percentage of buyers from these people reported that they made sales. Okay, so 40% or higher is good. You can sort the niche, okay, but most of them are going to be in the make money online niche with Udemy. You can sort by ratings, and then you just want to look at these people, okay? Now, if I just open up this guy, for example, okay, you can put in whatever subject line of the email that you want them to send, and then the body of the email. Okay, now some affiliate programs give you done for you emails, and you can just use that one. And then you would just link, okay, right here, you put in whatever affiliate link or website or capture page you'd want, okay? And then you just choose how many visitors, this is how many clicks you want to pay for. So you can go all the way up to, with this guy, 975 visitors, okay, or you can start at 100. I recommend, if you're just starting with solo ads with a vendor, anywhere from 200 to 300 visitors, and you can see this price, okay, is going to change based on how many visitors, okay? And then you would just hit add to cart, and then it would run. Now this would run March 10th. Okay, you can choose when you want them to run it, and they will just send out that email and you'll start getting clicks, okay, and potentially leads and sales. Another place that I highly recommend for paid advertising is Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority is this website here, and again, I'll include a link where you can create an account and purchase clicks. It works similar to Udemy, okay, but Traffic Authority has been around for many, many years, and the clicks that you purchase from Traffic Authority are of highly qualified people interested in joining a home business or purchasing a make money online product. So if you're promoting a affiliate program or business that has higher priced products, okay, $500, $1,000 investment, Traffic Authority is great for that. And again, you pay per the amount of clicks. So to do that, you go to Traffic Authority, you go to the top under Traffic Store, and then you buy traffic. Now again, they have different packages. Okay, obviously you want to purchase the highest package you can, okay, because you're going to get the most clicks. Now the delivery time is about 1 to 2 weeks. And again, it increases in price as the clicks go up. Then you would just go to other website. You'd put in your affiliate link. I highly recommend you send it actually to a capture page, which then leads to an affiliate sales page. If you don't have a capture page or you don't know how to create a funnel, again, the affiliate program in that first link in the description has done for you capture pages that you can just swipe and deploy with Traffic Authority, with Udemy, with social media to start to generate autopilot commissions. But you would just put it in there, you'd attach a debit or credit card, you'd agree to the terms, and you'd place order, okay? And then within a day or so, the traffic should start getting delivered, okay? And that's really what I recommend. I recommend Udemy and Traffic Authority for paid advertising. Again, especially if you don't want to do a lot of testing and a lot of effort, and you're in the make money online niche. Highly recommend that. Now, here's the action plan, okay, to distill all this into a very step-by-step process. Number one, decide on whether you're going to start with free or paid traffic, okay? Think about your situation. It's also okay to do both, but don't try to take on too much at once or you'll get overwhelmed. With social media, choose one social media platform, go to my YouTube channel, look at those videos for that platform and master that, then spread yourself out. With paid traffic, if you're in the make money online niche, just start with Traffic Authority, okay? Udemy, do those. They've been proven with me, with my students, with thousands of people around the world. They work. Start posting ads, start getting leads, look at what works and do more of that, okay? So if you're noticing that, hey, Udemy is giving me sales, note which person, okay? You can actually, again, with the link below, that affiliate program, you can create a tracking link, put the Udemy vendor name at the end of it so you know what person gave you sales. Look at what is working and then invest more into that. Focus more on that. Here's how to scale, okay? Once you start making sales with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend take at least 30% of your earnings and reinvest that into more paid advertising, okay? So that's how you can quickly start to hit your income goals. So I hope you got value. I hope you discovered the best affiliate marketing traffic sources. If you got value, you want me to make more videos, be sure to click the like button below. Comment also what traffic source you're going to start with. I'd love to read that. And last but not least, again, if you want access to an affiliate program that is high paying, instant paying, it also has some reoccurring commissions, be sure to click the link, check out that free overview video, and then get started. Really think you're going to love that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.